Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about some example problems. Listen example 3.56. Listen the question. Take your book page number 138. The government plans to have a circular zoological park of diameter 8 km. A separate area in the form of a segment formed by a chord of length 4 km is to be allotted exclusively for a veterinary hospital in the park. Find the area of the segment to be allotted for the veterinary hospital. Again, I'll repeat the question. ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் பிளான் பண்ணுறாங்க ஒரு சர்க்குலர் zoological பார்க் ரெடி பண்ணுறதுக்கு. அதோட டயமீட்டர் 8 கிலோமீட்டர். டயமீட்டர் இஸ் லாங்கஸ்ட் கார்டு இன் எ சர்க்கிள். ஸோ ஒரு சர்க்கிளோட லாங்கஸ்ட் கார்டு அதை தான் டயமீட்டர்னு சொல்லுவோம். அதோட மெஷர் 8 கிலோமீட்டர். A separate area in the form of a segment formed by a chord of length 4 km is to be allotted exclusively for a veterinary hospital in the park. அந்த பார்க்கில் ஒரு சைடு ஒரு வெட்டினரி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் உருவாக்குறாங்க. அந்த வெட்டினரி ஹாஸ்பிட்டலோட லெங்க் கார்டு லெங்க் கார்டுன்னு சொல்கிறது the diameter of the circle வந்து லாங்கஸ்ட் கார்டு. ஸோ லாங்கஸ்ட் கார்டை தவிர்த்து மற்ற எல்லா லைன்ஸுமே கார்டுன்னு தான் சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ அந்த கார்டோட லெங்க்த்து 4 கிலோமீட்டர். இந்த மெஷர் இந்த க்ரீன் கலரில் கொடுத்துருக்கக்கூடிய லைன். See the figure. This is the zoological park. Diameter is 8 kilometer. Diameter is longest chord. So the full length is 8 kilometer. So the half value is 4 kilometer. So center to anywhere you draw the line, we get this 4. இந்த கார்டோட லெங்க் 4 கிலோமீட்டர் கொடுத்துருக்கு. அது அந்த சர்க்கிளோட ஒரு எண்டு பார்ட்டில் எடுத்துக்கோ. கார்டு 4 கிலோமீட்டர். அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி வரக்கூடிய ஒரு செக்டார். ஸோ அந்த செக்டாரோட ஆங்கிள் வந்து தீட்டா. ஸோ யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் த ஏரியா ஆஃப் த செக்மெண்ட் டு பி அலாட்டட் ஃபார் த வெட்டினரி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல். த வெட்டினரி ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு அலாட் பண்ணியிருக்கக்கூடிய ஏரியாவை கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். லிசன் த சொல்யூஷன். Take AB be the chord and O be the center of the circular park. We take the angle AOB is equal to theta. So you find out the area of the segment. Area of the segment to be allotted for the veterinary hospital is, you find out the full area of the sector. Full area of the sector minus this area of triangle OAB. Okay. The sector order மெஷர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஏரியா செக்டார்னு சொல்கிறது இந்த க்ரீன் கலர் லைன் எல்லாம் இன்க்ளூட் ஆகி வரும். ஓகே, இந்த பவுண்டரி லைனோட சேர்ந்து வரக்கூடியது. ஸோ இந்த ஏரியா ஆஃப் த செக்டார்ல இருந்து இந்த ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ட்ரையாங்கிள் ஏஓபியை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் இந்த க்ரீன் கலர் ஷேடட் பார்ட்டு கிடைச்சிரும். அந்த க்ரீன் கலர் ஷேடட் பார்ட்டு தான் ஏரியா ஆஃப் த செக்மெண்ட் டு பி அலாட்டட் ஃபார் த வெட்டினரி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல். ஓகே, ஏரியா ஆஃப் த செக்மெண்ட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஏரியா ஆஃப் த செக்டார் minus area of triangle OAB. Area of the sector, already you know the formula, half into r square into theta, or use the same page you refer it. Okay, the same page having the formulas in the problem up. Okay, you refer it using the book. So half into r square into theta minus area of triangle OAB 1/2 into r square into sin theta. Now you substitute the value. 1/2 into r square is 4 square into theta minus 1/2 into 4 square into sin theta. We take outside 1/2 4 square. So 1/2 4 square into theta minus sin theta. Here 1 2 is 2. We get it 4 square is 16. Using the second table, cancel this number, we get 8. So 8 into theta minus sin theta. 8 into theta minus sin theta. Now you find out the theta value. Okay, so using the cosine formula. What's the formula cosine? A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Take A and B value is 4 and 4. C also 4. Okay, so cos theta is equal to 4 square plus 4 square minus 4 square by 2 into AB is 4 into 4. So 4 square minus 4 square cancelled. and 4 square. This 4 square cancelled. The balance term is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is cos 60 degree value. So cos theta is equal to cos 60 degree. Then what's the value of theta? Pi by 3. Okay. So area of the segment to be allotted for the veterinary hospital. Veterinary hospitalக்கு எவ்வளவு ஏரியா அலாட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க இந்த தீட்டாவோட வேல்யூவை இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன்ல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணணும். So 8 into pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2 because sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So 8 into, find out the LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is, we get 6. Okay. So 6 in the denominator. Write the numerator value. Take the cross product and write 2 pi minus 3 root 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. We get the answer 4 by 3 into 2 pi minus 3 root 3 meter square. This is the area of the segment to be allotted for the veterinary hospital. Okay. Next question. In a triangle ABC, prove that b square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b is equal to 2bc sin a. This type of question is very easy. Listen carefully. Okay. Write the solution using the sin formula. Already you know the sin formula. A by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c is equal to 2r. So what's the value of a? We compare this two term. A by sin a is equal to 2r. Equate this two term. A by sin a is equal to 2r. What's the value of a? 2r into sin a. Okay. So b value 2r into sin b. C value 2r into sin c. So we using this sin formula, write a, b and c value. Then proof for, take the left hand side, b square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b. Here you substitute the value. B square is 2r sin b, the whole square is 4r square sin square b into the sin 2c plus c square is 2r sin c, the whole square. So 4r square sin square c into the sin 2b. Now take the common factor 4r square outside. So 4r square into here sin square b into sin 2c. What's the formula? Sin 2a. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. That is sin 2a formula. Here having sin 2c. So 2 sin c cos c. That 2 you take first. Okay. So 2 into sin square b sin c cos c plus here also sin square c, write it, sin 2b. Sin 2b is 2 into sin b cos b. 2 into sin b cos b. Again we take the common factor outside. 2 sin b into sin c. So 2 into this 4r square is 8r square. Sin b sin c take outside. Okay. So 2, here one sin b term and sin c term. So the balance is sin b cos c plus 2 sin c and sin b take outside. Balance is sin c and cos b. Okay. So 8r square sin b sin c into, this is the formula of sin b plus c. Sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So sin b plus c. Here you write it. Then 8r square sin b sin c into this b plus c is, already you know the triangle degree is 180 degree. Sum of the angle is 180 degree. So a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Then what's the value of b plus c? Pi minus a. So sin of b plus c, sin of pi minus a. So here you substitute sin of b plus c is sin of pi minus a is equal to 8r square sin b sin c sin 180 degree minus theta. What's the value? 180 degree in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, all students take chocolate. Sign is positive. Second quadrant, sign is positive. So sin 180 degree minus theta is, we get sin theta. So here a, so you'll write a. So 8r square into this sine B using the cosine formula. Sine B is, what's the value? Sine B is, you take the cross product. Okay, 2r here, B by sine B. B by sine B is equal to 2r. Then what's the value of sine B? B by 2r. Take the cross product, we get B by 2r. Okay, so B by 2r. Or listen here, A by sin A is equal to 2r. Then sin A is equal to A by 2r. Just you take the cross product. So sin A is equal to A by 2r. This like you complete sin B, B by 2r. Sin C, C by 2r. So here sin B and sin C place you substitute the value. B by 2r and C by 2r. 2r into 2r, 4r square. So 4r square and 8r square. You find out the cancellation, we get 2 here. So 2 into BC into sin A. So the result is 2 BC sin A. We get the right side value, hence the proof. Question, example 3.58. In a triangle ABC, prove that sine of B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by A into cos A by 2. This is the solution using the sine formula. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R. We take the right hand side value, B minus C by A cos A by 2. So B place you substitute. Using this result, B is equal to 2R into sin B. And the C place you substitute 2R into sin C. So you get it this line. And 2 into sin. This one is take the common factor 2R outside. So 2R into sin B minus sin C by 2R sin A into cos A by 2. So 2R and 2R cancelled. Sin B minus sin C. What's the formula? Sin B minus sin C is 2 sin B minus C by 2 cos B plus C by 2. And the denominator, sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. Here sin A. So 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 into this cos A by 2. So these two terms are cancelled. We get a denominator is sin A by 2 and this 2 and 2 also cancelled. So sin B minus C by 2 into, here this B plus C place you substitute this result using this one. Find out B plus C 180 degree minus A. So B plus C by 2 is 180 by 2 minus A by 2. So 180 by 2 is 90 degree minus A by 2. So cos B plus C by 2 is cos 90 degree minus A by 2 by denominator is sin A by 2. Then sin B minus C by 2 into cos 90 degree minus theta sin theta. Apply the complementary angle. So sin A by 2, denominator is sin A by 2. So these two terms are cancelled. We get sin B minus C by 2. This is the left hand side value, hence proved. Next question, example 3.59. If the three angles in a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3, then prove that the corresponding sides are in the ratio 1:√3:2. So you take, let the angles be theta, 2 theta, 3 theta. Because the given value is 1:2:3. So we take the angle as theta, 2 theta, 3 theta. Already you know the definition, sum of the three angles is 180 degree. So theta plus 2 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 180 degree. Add this three terms, we get 6 theta is equal to 180 degree. Then theta is 180 degree by 6. Find out the cancellation, we get theta is 30 degree. So using the sine formula, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Here we substitute A angle is 30 degree. So what's the angle of B? B is 2 theta. 2 theta is 2 into 30 is 60 degree. And C is 3 theta. 3 theta is 3 into 30 degree. So 90 degree. Here we substitute it. A by sin 30 degree is equal to B by sin 60 degree is equal to C by sin 90 degree. So A is to B is to C is equal to, write in the ratio form. A is to B is to C is equal to sin 30 degrees to sin 60 degrees to sin 90 degree. Sin 30 degree value 1 by 2, 60 degrees √3 by 2 and sin 90 degrees 1. Divide each term by 2, we get here 1:√3:2. This is our proof part. Okay, listen the next question. Example 3.60. In a triangle ABC, Prove that b plus c cos a into c plus a cos b plus a plus b into cos c is equal to a plus b plus c. Take the LHS. Find out the product of b plus c into cos a. What's the value? b into cos a plus c into cos. C plus a into cos b is c cos b plus a cos b. And a plus b into cos c is a cos c plus b cos c. Then using the projection formula, so you rewrite the terms. See, the projection formula is a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. And b is equal to c cos a plus a cos c. C is a cos b plus b cos a. This like you rearrange the line. Okay. Using this line, rearrange it. So here we get it. A is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. So a, this one is b, and the next two term is c. Using the projection formula and write the value. So this is the proof part. Okay, right hand side. A plus b plus c. Next sum, example 3.61. In a triangle ABC, prove that a square plus b square by a square plus c square is equal to 1 plus cos a minus b into cos c, and denominator is 1 plus cos a minus c into cos b. This question also use the sine formula. So take the left hand side, a square plus b square by a square plus c square. Substitute a place 2r sin a the whole square and b square is 2r sin b the whole square. Denominator also you substitute the result. So 2r sin a the whole square is 4r square sin square a plus next term 4r square sin square b. This like you write the denominator. So in the numerator take the common factor 4r square outside. Denominator also take the common factor 4r square outside. So 4r square cancelled. You get the balance term as sin square a plus sin square b by sin square a plus sin square c. Now I substitute the trigonometry identity. Sin square a is 1 minus cos square a, and the denominator also sin square a is 1 minus cos square a. Remaining term write it. So 1 minus this two term you take the negative sign outside. So here we get it negative. So 1 minus cos square a minus sin square b. Denominator also take the negative sign outside. So 1 minus of, so this positive is negative. Okay. So cos square a minus sin square c. So cos square a minus sin square b is cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula. Cos square a minus sin square b is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. And the denominator cos square a minus sin square c is cos a plus b c into cos a minus c. Okay. So 1 minus of cos a plus b into cos a minus b by 1 minus of cos a plus c into cos a minus b. This can be written as this a plus b is pi minus c. So cos of a plus b, cos of pi minus c. Cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta because in the second quadrant sine and cosecant positive. Cos is negative. So here we get in minus cos c. So 1 minus this after 1 minus cos a plus b is minus cos c. So minus into minus. Here we get it cos c into cos a minus b. And the denominator also 1 minus cos a plus c. Cos a plus c is pi minus b. Okay. So cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta. So we get minus cos b. So minus of here minus cos b. So minus into minus plus cos b into cos a minus c. Okay, we get the right hand side. Hence the proof. So proof பார்த்து அதுக்கு adjust பண்ணி என்னென்ன formulas தேவைப்படுதோ அதை நீங்க substitute பண்ணுங்க. So அப்பதான் ஈஸியா இருக்கும் proof. Next example 3.62. Derive cosine formula using the law of sines in triangle ABC. Derive cosine formula. Already you know the cosine formula. Cosine formula is cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So this like complete the another part also. Okay. Then law of sine is this is the formula. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R. So cosine formula, right hand side you take it. Take the right hand side of cosine formula and substitute the BCA value using the sine formula. We get the first line. So simplify the first line. Write the square of 2R sin B. So we get 4R square sin square B. Next term also 4R square sin square C. And the last term 4R square sin square A. Denominator also you substitute it and take the common factor outside. So the common factors are cancelled. We get the balance term sin square B plus sin square C minus sin square A by 2 sin B sin C in the denominator. But you know the formula, sin square C minus sin square A is sin C plus A into sin C minus A. The sin square B, write it here. And the denominator is 2 sin B sin C. Okay, so sin square B plus sin C plus A into sin C minus A in the numerator. But sin C plus A, it can be written as C plus A is pi minus B. Okay, C plus A is pi minus B. Take sin. So sin C plus A is equal to sin pi minus B. Sin of 180 degree minus theta, you know the result, sin theta. So here B, so we get sin B. So sin square B into, this place you write sin B. Listen this line, sin square B plus sin B into sin C minus A. This term, sin C minus A, and the denominator 2 sin B sin C. Now listen the numerator term, sin square B plus sin B into sin C minus A. Which one is the common factor? Sin B. So we take outside sin B. So the balance is here one more sin B having, we get it here, sin B plus sin C minus A by denominator is 2 sin B sin C. Now sin B and sin B cancelled, get the balance term as sin B plus sin C minus A by 2 sin B sin C. Again one more small adjustment, the sin B place you write sin C plus A. Already you know sin C plus A is sin B. So here sin B place, again write the same term, sin C plus A plus sin C minus A by 2 sin C. The sin B and sin B are cancelled. So sin C plus A plus sin C minus A is 2 cos A sin C by denominator is 2 sin C. So sin C 2 and 2 cancelled. We get the balance is cos A. So we take the left hand side this term, but right hand side we get cos A. This is the cosine formula. So next question, example 3.63. Using Heron's formula, show that the equilateral triangle has the maximum area for any fixed perimeter. Hint also given. This before you learn one condition, listen it. This geometric mean always less than or equal arithmetic mean. This one is geometric mean. Okay, this one is arithmetic mean. Geometric mean always less than or equal arithmetic mean. Geometric mean formula root AB. Root AB, the power form is AB the whole power 1 by 2 less than or equal. Arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. This is 2 term. Okay. Now we take 3 terms. Geometric mean formula is A, B, C the whole power 1 by 3 less than or equal. Here also we take 3 terms, A plus B plus C by 3. So what's the value of A, B, C? We take the power value into right side. We get 1 by 3 is 3. Okay. So A, B, C less than or equal A plus B plus C by 3 the whole cube. We use this result and complete that question. Already you know the Heron's formula. Delta is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus A. Delta, already delta or del or triangle. Okay. Observe that delta is maximum. This value is maximum. So this root inside having some terms, that terms also maximum. Okay. Because delta is maximum. So S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is maximum. This is the product of three terms. Geometric mean. So geometric mean always less than or equal arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is s minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c by 3 the whole power 3. Okay, so s plus s 3s minus of we take inside a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c already you know 2s. Okay, so 3s minus 2s is we get s cube is here we get it s cube by 3 cube is 27. Again one more time this s plus s is 3s minus of a plus b plus c take inside, but a plus b plus c result is 2s. So 3s minus 2s is we get s. So s by 3 the whole cube is s cube by 27. So we get s minus a into s minus b into s minus c less than or equal s cube by 27. Equality occurs s minus a, s minus b, s minus c are equal. So a is equal to b is equal to c. The maximum of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is s cube by 27. So substitute s cube by 27 in this equation. So s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c place substitute s cube by 27. So s into s cube is s power 4. Root inside s power 4 we take outside s square by denominator is 27. 9 3s are 27. Okay, 9 3s are 27. So root 9 is we get 3. Again one more 3, keep it root inside. So the answer is s square by 3 by root 3 square units. S square by 3 by root 3 square units. Thank you students.